Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn daily use most common definition of some idioms. Okay, let's begin. First idiom is ABC. Definition of ABC: basic knowledge. Next, all in all. Definition: full authority. Next, as usual as. Definition: as a general practice. At present. Definition of at present: now. Next, burning problem. Definition: current problem. By the way. Definition of by the way: incidentally. Call to mind. Definition: remember. Next, cats and dogs. Definition: heavily. Next, dead of night. Definition: quiet of night. Next, far and wide. Definition: everywhere. At all costs. Definition: at all price. At times. Definition: occasionally. All of a sudden. Definition: quickly and unexpectedly. Next, fish out of water. Definition: uncomfortable. Get rid of. Definition: be free from. In any case. Definition: whatever happen. By any means. Definition: by any way. Next, a lot. Definition: a large amount. Extent or degree of something. Next, here and there. Definition: in various places. In favor of. Definition: in support of. Thanks for watching.